Okay, tonight we're doing a Midori melon ball damper. First time we're going to try, see how it goes. So we put 2 cups of flour, and then we're going to add some sugar, half a cup that is. Give it a little bit of a whipper-snipper stir. Whipper-snipper. Then we may add some Midori melon ball with lime zest in it as well. I'm going to add all of it because I don't know how much it's going to... I wonder if it's going to stay green.
I don't know. I wonder if it's going to taste alright.
Alright, we're just going to put all that in now. So that's Midori and lime juice. Lime. Okay, then we've got, what else we got? Coconut cream. Instead of cream, trying coconut. We might have a Midori splice now.
Might not be a Midori melon ball splice.
Okay, now we're putting a teaspoon of vanilla bean, I think it is, vanilla paste. Just for something to do. Alright. Stir it well. And then when this is done, you're going to get it out and put it in a flour to make the damper. And then put it in your what do you call this? Crock pot?
Steel camp oven.
Camp oven.
It's got flour
on the trivet.
On the trivet. Aluminium foil on the trivet, yeah.
Yep. Okay, so now we're going to get it out. I'll show you how I do it in a minute.
Alright, it's all rolled now, or whatever you call it. Balled.
Kneaded.
Kneaded.
You don't need it too much though, because it won't work. Alright, then you place it in the camp oven.
Place it in the camp oven.
Done. We'll see what it's like in 20 minutes or whatever.
As Pete said, this is a new one for us, so it's a trial and error. And we'll put the description or the recipe to it.
Where we're putting it? Up there, down there? Where?
Down. Down below. So yeah, we'll do that. Now off to put it in the oven. Or in the camp.
Fire.
Camp cube. Fire. Whatever you got. So what we do now is we put it on the coals in the fire pit. Grab a few burnies. Real burnies. Gets a little bit hot. Probably should have used the shovel. So you put it on there, on the fire. A bit of heat on top. Well, as the end result of our Midori melon ball damper. The testing, when it cools down a bit, we'll try it out and
I'll try it now.
See what it tastes like and let you know. But thanks for watching. Remember, if you like our channel, subscribe, thumbs up. We'd love you to subscribe to help us out. But yeah, thumbs up and share us.